Boracay Island is set to open this month, October 2018. And here are the things we can expect as the paradise reopens. But there's one problem I can foresee that I think many budget travelers will not be happy with. My name is Lex and I'm passionate about traveling. That's why I want to make the travel lifestyle more convenient for you. If you're new to LexGo, consider subscribing. Number 1. As soon as you arrive at the Calibo or Caticlan airport, you need to be ready with your confirmed hotel booking. Why? Because the government will check it even before you take the ferry to the island. They have to make sure that your hotel is accredited by the tourism department. Back then, I used to just go to Boracay and book my hotel once I get to the island. Now, I don't think that's going to be possible. Number 2, expect a more relaxing white beach. No more souvenir shops, no more food stalls and massage beds. No fire dancers, not even umbrellas are allowed on the white beach. Just expect pure, pristine beauty. Number 3, strictly no smoking and drinking on the beach and in public places. There will be designated areas for these and everyone is expected to comply. Number 4, no more big parties. During the days of La Boracay, the island brings in about 60,000 beach party goers. Now, only 6,405 tourists will be allowed to enter the island per day. So, what's this big problem I can foresee? Because less people are allowed to come in and less businesses are in operation, we can expect higher prices. And that's not good news for many budget travelers. So, given these developments, are you still excited to see the new Boracay? I want to hear what you think, so comment down below.